Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find clock and access it. Then choose alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour and when you're ready, choose OK. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up, tap on vibrates to disable or enable vibrations and click on add label. Over here you can create your label and choose OK. Now tap on default over here and tap on dismiss. Then you can pick one of those alarms by tapping on the best one and going back. But you can also click on add new over here, pick music from your smartphone by selecting one of those sources, tapping on the best one and going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. In order to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to get rid of it, you can do that by clicking on the light icon under vibrate. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!